Medical University Hospital. We are here today. So let's see the hospital exterior view and interior view.
The moment you enter the hospital, there's a reception here, and you get all the pharmacy medicines just opposite to that of the entrance. And there's a huge crowd that I can see. Even you yourself can witness. We'll witness the other departments which is available as well. Please come.
There's a spa for me and B, that is the mom and baby. There is a spa that is organized by the Buon Medical University Hospital, which is special care for newborn babies and for the mothers, the new mothers. So there's a spa that has been organized inside. And this is again the Department of Gynecology. So here they're bringing the international collaborations with BMTU Medical University. They tied up with Apollo Hospitals, Venture Development Hospitals, Open AI Labs, and then they also Philips Hospitals and many other Johnson Care and Fungin Care Hospital, and then the various Japan tie-ups collaboration, UK, US, and all of the collaborations that the clinical skill development of Buon Medical University is there. And here you have the Department of Laboratory. The samples can be collected from these laboratories here. So this is the reproductive unit, which we call as IVF. So any gynecology related, you will do it in the 4th floor, and 5th floor is the IVF department. So this is the pediatric department. Without me telling it well, you can identify the pediatric department. So vaccinations and the neonatal care.
There's lift, escalator and steps for you to get onto. There are about 5-7 floors here totally, and each floor has different departments. That is sample collection of your blood, and here you have